Hello guys, so today's NFP, unfortunately, or let's say fortunately, it's Good Friday, which is a holiday. So I've realized that um our indices are not moving. All indices from Nasdaq USD, but Euro USD here is moving. As you can see, price, I'm not sure you can see price is changing, even though there's no momentum currently. So we'll try and trade Euro USD, because I see a proper setup on Euro USD. So guys, if you can check the bigger structure, you'll realize that Euro USD is sitting on something called a fair value gap according to smart money concepts. So this is a fair value gap. So guys, in the old or previously, when we're trading smart money concept, you will look for a fair value gap, and then you will look for an indecision candlestick somewhere near there, somewhere above the fair value gap. So the market will go to the fair value gap, tap into an order block, and then reverse. But as you know that algorithms change, order flow changes, and markets evolve. So now what you can realize about the market is just that the market will go to your fair value gap, or what you call your imbalance, or your gaps, just like that, whatever you call it, fair value gap, imbalance, or inefficiency in price action. So as you can see on USD, this is a fair value gap, and then price, if you can switch to a 1 hour time frame, you realize that somewhere above that fair value gap there is an order block or something like that. Yes, you can see the last down candlestick before the downwards movement, but I'll prefer trading it as a fair value gap. So if you can get back there, you realize that the market went and tapped into that fair value gap, and then it did what? It gave us a drop. So it means that somewhere there we're expecting a change of market character. And then not just that, but the market created or generated liquidity right here. As you can see, that price did what? Price formed something that looks like an M formation reversal, in order for the market to fool people that it's a sell, because you can see that this is a double top, and then it came back to do what? To clear that liquidity. So what the market does is that the market will generate liquidity and then clear that liquidity. So it's all about generating liquidity and then sweeping that liquidity. So you can see that our fair value gap, the fair value gap had a beautiful entry opportunity after clearing the liquidity. So now on NFP, I'm still expecting this fair value gap to hold on for sales right now, as you can see. And you can check that again, price, when it came back somewhere right here, you realize that it tapped into this zone of demand right here, no, supply right there, and then it sold. So it means that I'm still expecting this sell to hold a little bit, and then you can check right here, you realize that price did what? Price impulsed to the downwards, and it formed this corrective phase. So probably we'll expect a liquidation of this correction, and then we're gonna continue doing what? We're gonna continue going down during NFP. Yeah, so let's just hope that NFP moves, and then this is gonna be our setup, just like that. Yeah guys, NFP killed, as you know. So this was a simple setup, guys. As you saw that we killed the sell on Euro USD. So previously I'm gonna upload this video, and I uploaded the video to be public for how I analyzed the Euro USD for NFP. So guys, this was a simple setup, as you can see right here. That price moved as an impulsive move, and then it did this correction right here. And I said previously on my video that I think price was still somewhere right here when I was recording the video. I said that price is gonna do what? price, since it's generating liquidity, it has to do what? It has to liquidate the liquidity before it sells. So that's what exactly happened through this generation of, or generating of liquidity. That price did what? Price generated this liquidity, and then it liquidated the liquidity through this stop hunt right here. So people who sold early, they were liquidated by this stop hunt right here, and then it sold. Our take profit was here initially, and then during NFP it came, it sold just like that, guys. And then this was our setup. We identified a fair value gap on for our time frame, and then we came back right here. We realized that again price did what? Price generated liquidity right here, and then it liquidated the liquidity by going to tap into that zone of fair value gap, and then it sold right there. So it was a simple setup, guys. And expect now, since price as did what? If you can check on the probably 1 hour time frame, you realize that now price has created a beautiful change of market character. And then what was liquidity right here, it will become a supply zone. So right there, it's gonna become a supply zone. So yeah, we're gonna expect more selling opportunities.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorn